Hi guys, it's Temi with Yellow Sparks Joy. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing my latest purchase with you guys. Well, first of all, it wasn't a purchase that I made because it was a gift, but it is the newest handbag addition to my collection. So I'm very happy about that because it is a great way to start off my December. December is a very festive period for me. I love the holidays. I love Christmas. It's also my birthday in December. So I'm always very happy to receive and also grateful to receive as much as I do in December. So this was a great way to kick off my month with this beautiful gift. So how many of you have birthdays in December? I'm beginning to realize or find out that there are quite a number of people that I know that were born in December. So if your birthday is in December, or like someone you know, someone very close to your family member, please share it with me in the comments below. I would love to say happy birthday to as many people as are celebrating this month. And so the newest addition to my handbag collection is this beautiful Kate Spade Sam Icon Hobo bag, and this one is in the metallic patent leather in the color Starlight. So let's put it over here. There we go. That's a better reflection of what the actual color looks like. This color is so beautiful. The minute I saw this bag on the Kate Spade website, I knew I wanted it. So around I think it was early summer, Kate Spade came out with the Sam Icon line, and this is very different from the Little Better Sam line. So they had the Little Better Sam line last year. That one is made up of mostly nylon pieces, and then summer this year they came out with the Sam Icon line. So they have the Sam Icon Hobo, the Sam Icon tote, I think, or shoulder bag is what it's called, and that one has two versions. And they did it at the time that Prada also came out with some of their re-edition bags. So the re-edition 1995, and they're very similar, very similar, and I just love that vibe. And so I was trying to decide between the Sam Icon tote and then this Sam Icon Hobo. So I went into the store recently to look at both of them, as well as some other bags that they had newly released. And you know what, I kind of knew, even before seeing it in person, I kind of knew I wanted the Hobo simply because of the color. So there were many beautiful colors. They had this beautiful bright orange for summer. They have, of course, classic white and black, and then they had pink, this really nice bubblegum pink. But then later on, like towards the end of summer, they came out with or maybe even beginning of fall, they came out with this Starlight, and I knew that this was going to be a beautiful color to have for the holidays especially, but then also for all year round, because this color reminds me so much of my Coach trail bag that is in the soft metallic gold. So this is my trail bag. I got this last year, this year, I can't remember, but this gold is also very beautiful. It's not loud at all, so it's very similar to this Starlight or metallic silver. So very similar. You can see the vibe. This is how I like my metallics: soft and simple and very what's the word I'm looking for, not in your face, but they still make a nice statement. So I can dress them up for parties, but I can also dress them down for casual everyday wear as well. So very happy with this purchase. It's a small bag, it's not big at all. Let me give you a 360. So at the back there is a slip pocket, very small and tight. You can fit a card in there. I personally wouldn't want to stretch it out, so I don't put anything. I did put my earrings there after a night of partying recently, but I wouldn't put anything larger than that in there. And then you have the shoulder strap. I don't have the measurements, but I'll probably give those to you in a future video, or I'll pop them in the description box. It does have 5 holes for adjustments. This is what I have it on. I used it crossbody today, and it hit me really perfectly just at my hip, where I love my bags to hit. So that is what the patent leather looks like. It's soft, it's pretty. Because it's patent, it has a glossy finish, but it's not shiny. Like, it's not like obnoxious shiny type of shiny. So no fit at the bottom. This is what the side looks like. It does come with silver hardware, and I don't mind that at all because I don't have that many bags that come with silver hardware. I will say that I love the new nameplate or logo that Kate Spade is doing. They recently changed creative directors. Well, so the previous creative director left, and then they have two new product creators. I think they're called. They're not product developers. They're product creators, but they're not creative directors. Product designers is what they are. Product designers. So there's two of them that are working now on Kate Spade mainline, and so I think it is thanks to them and their collaboration that this nameplate has changed. So most of the bags have this or some other variation of this, and I think it's really, really pretty. It makes the Kate Spade bags look a little bit more high end than what we're used to seeing, and I like it. I really like it. Like, it doesn't look like childish Kate Spade anymore. It looks very much like grown-up Kate Spade, and I'm totally here for that. Love this bag. This is what it looks like on the top. So this strap, this top handle, is not detachable, and it actually works really well for grab and go, but you cannot remove it at all, which is, it's fine by me. I don't mind it. I love structured Hobo bags, by the way, so I love the fact that this Hobo bag is very structured. I don't like slouchy Hobos. It's also why I really like the Coach Ergo in the 18, because again, it's a Hobo bag and it's structured and not slouchy. If a Hobo bag is slouchy, for me, it's a no-no. So I definitely love this. And then the closure is a magnetic clasp, so there it is. It's actually very firm. There's no zipper, so the top is open, and that's how all the items are in there. I like it because I can easily see what's in there, and I have easy access to my items. But if you want something more secure, this is definitely not the bag for that. So let's do a quick what is in my bag, because I have been using this bag throughout this weekend. And I bought this on sale. So they were having, it was on sale during Black Friday. Very good price. After their Black Friday sale ended, they started another one, buy more, save more. And that's when I got this. It was also a good deal. Not as good as during Black Friday, but it was still a good price anyway. I know that they still have a sale running at this time, so I will leave this bag linked below along with whatever the sale details are. So this bag ended up costing $342.40, and even though I wasn't the one who bought it, even though it was a gift, I'm still very happy that they were able to get something off the original price, because a bargain is better than no bargain at all, in my opinion. It would have been so great if you wanted this bag, if you had grabbed it during the Black Friday sales, because it was really good. I think it was about 50% off, I think, almost. But hey, that's why you should be subscribed to my channel, because if you're subscribed, then you will see my community feed and the posts that I put on my YouTube community page, where I let you guys know about sales and discounts as they're happening, like in real time. Before I'm able to sit down and film a video on it, I've probably already posted a community post. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel and click on the tiny notification bell beside the subscribe button, so you can get notified every time I upload a new video, and also when I post a community post. So here is what I have on the interior, and then I have a pack of tissues in there. I have my phone case. My phone was in there before, but I'm just using the case to show you guys. That was at the back. And then I have this pouch from Longchamp. This one has coins and some other bits and bobs. And then I have, I took off my jewelry after the party because I was just tired and I just wanted to be a bit free. So I have my bangles there. I have hand cream and a pen in there. And then last but not least is my Tory Burch Kira card holder with that beautiful diamond T logo, and that's everything. So the interior of the bag, you have two card slots here. You have this fabric lining with Kate Spade written inside. Very pretty. It's also in silver. Then there's one zipper compartment at the back, and then you have the tab that says Kate Spade right there. So very beautiful bag. I've used it throughout this weekend. I had a bunch of parties. I used it to the grocery store. I took it to church. I took it shopping for Christmas presents. So it's really versatile. I dressed it. I styled it so many different ways. I started with this top. I started with some other items, some other clothing as well. It's not difficult for me to style with my wardrobe at all. If you want to see how I've styled it in different ways, make sure you're following me on my Instagram at yellowsparksjoy, where I post reels and carousels and stories, so you can see how I style my handbags from this one other item that I want to share with you guys, and it is an item from Coach. Now this was not a purchase, this was a gift as well, so I've really been spoiled, really been spoiled already at the beginning of December. So this was a gift from the team at Coach Chinook Mall, which is my closest Coach store, my Coach retail store, where I shop and buy my items. And I I'm so happy, I was so grateful that they gifted me this. Thank you guys so much. If you're watching, Nata, I know you watch my videos. Thank you again to the Coach Chinook Mall team. This is exactly how it came. Beautiful red ribbon for Christmas, and then we have the gingerbread man, and it says to Temi, and then it has the right there, Coach Chinook team. I already know what's in there because I saw it in store, but let's just go ahead and do a quick unboxing so you guys can see what Coach's beautiful Christmas gift for this year is. Last year I got a blanket, so nice, like the quality is awesome. People still ask me till today how I got that blanket, like, or if they can buy it for sale. That's how nice that blanket is. And so here it is. This thing is huge. Like, look at my head. Where's my bag? Let me show you guys the comparison. Look at this bag and look at the pouch. Like, it is so big. So this is a travel pouch. So here you go. This nice brown thick fabric. And on the zipper pull here, you can see it says Coach. This is a regular Coach zipper pull. It's not as thick as the ones on their bags, but it's nice nonetheless. It says Coach there. I haven't removed, of course, the sticker on it, but let's take off that. And this thing is so big. Like, let me know what you guys like. If you have any ideas on how I can repurpose this bag and what I can use it for besides a travel bag, let me know. Like, something, I don't know, I just feel like there should be something else this will be useful for. I don't know. But anyways, this is what is on the inside. And first in there are these slippers. Very comfy. I mean, it's a travel set, so it's supposed to be like travel slippers for like on the plane. But honestly, I think I'm going to be wearing this at home. Or maybe in the hotel room when I travel. But I really want to wear them at home. So yeah, very nice. Very soft and plush on the interior. The backing is not very hard, but it's not soft either. And it comes in that signature Coach color in the browns. So beautiful. Second item is this eye mask. I don't even have an eye mask. Like, this is probably the most luxurious thing I own for travel. And this is what the exterior, I think this is like a satiny type fabric. And then the front is, I don't know what it is, but polyester or cotton like material. And then this is the elastic band at the back. So yeah, I'm definitely going to cut this off if I ever use that. So that's the mask. And finally, and probably my favorite item in the bag, is this blanket, which is really big for like when you're on a flight and you just need something to cover yourself and keep warm. So nice. You can actually also use it as a scarf, and this thing is so big because of course it's supposed to be a travel blanket. So look at how big it is. That's the one side, and then this is the inside, but honestly you can wear it both ways. And I could probably even just wear it like this in this cold, harsh Canadian winter. I would definitely wear this as a scarf, honestly, like under my bulky coat or over my bulky coat. So yeah, that is the blanket. Very nice. Honestly, thank you so much to the Coach Chinook team for the awesome gifts. Like, when my essay brought it out, she said, oh, this is your Christmas and your birthday gift. I'm like, yes, thank you. Everybody's spoiling me already, and it's not even my birthday yet, and it's not even Christmas yet, but I'm so grateful and thank you. Anyways, if you want to watch my vlog in the store where I was gifted this and all the other new items from Coach as well as from Kate Spade. Lots of new handbags, lots of eye candy for you to see. I will leave that video linked here so you can click on it now and go watch that vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I will see you in this one. Bye.